Hello, my name is S.M.R. and I want to walk you through a Python script I wrote that deals with X-ray diffraction data analysis. This code is designed to calculate various parameters related to crystal structure, such as a crystal size, d-space, lattice parameters, and microstrain. Here's the breakdown of each part. First, I import some libraries like pandas, numpy, and scp for data handling and mathematical operations. Next, I define some constant like Scherer and wavelengths. For crystallized size, as you can see the equation, I use Scherer equation to compute the crystal size based on the FWHM and the Bragg angle. For d-space, I use Bragg laws, which relates to angle of incidence and the wavelengths to the space between planes in the crystal lattice. For lattice parameters, I use cubic system parameters, but you can change if you want. And finally, for strain calculation, I use FWHM and Bragg angle. In the main function, I started by loading the XRD data from the CSV file and extract the 2 theta and intensity value. This is really important because your CSV file should have the angle and intensity at the head for detection. Then I use the peak finds function to detect the peaks and the intensity data and peak widths to calculate the FWHM. Then I define the Miller indices for the peaks and perform the calculation for each detected peak, printing out the result in a tabular format. And the final step, I save the result in the CSV file for further analysis. So here, if you notice at the left side, there is no XRD full analysis.csv, but if I run, you can see XRD file analysis created, and here you can see the calculated results. So that is my code for analyzing XRD data. I hope this explanation helps you understand how each function works and what the overall script accomplishes. Thank you.